Ghana Health Service is set to begin a house-to-house testing of suspected coronavirus carriers in high-risk communities in the Ashanti region especially. Authorities say this has become necessary after the region was declared one of Ghana's epicenters, following the death of 2 persons out of 9 confirmed cases so far. 284 people who came into contact with coronavirus patients have also been identified and are being managed. Ohemi Nteria of the Health Desk has more in the following report.
Deputy Ashanti Regional Director in charge of Public Health, Dr. Ofori Yeboah, revealed all is set for health officials to pick samples for testing at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research at the KNUST.
Currently, there are 284 contacts that we are following. But to help us bring this infection to an end at a very short notice, we are going beyond following these 284 contacts. The key objective is to ensure that every single individual with the infection, whether the person is showing symptoms or not, we are able to identify these individuals and immediately put in measures to care for the affected individuals.
It forms part of active surveillance measures being implemented by the Directorate to control the spread of COVID-19.
The Ghana Health Service in Ashanti region has strategically identified certain locations. And those locations, we are going to move from house to house and identify individuals and offer them the COVID-19 test. So samples will be taken from these individuals and sent to KCCR at KNUST, where we analyze the samples.
Dr. Ofori Yeboah revealed all the necessary arrangements have been made, whilst equipment needed for the exercise has been procured.
As I speak to you, all the necessary things that we need for this exercise are in place. We have received significant quantities of personal protective equipment. We have laboratory teams in place, and we are also collaborating with members of the security agencies to support us in this process. Passes have been made available to officers to ensure that even in the midst of this restricted movement, our team members will be able to move freely to offer these very important services.
From Kumasi for JoyNews, Ohemi Nteria reporting.